In this video I'll show you what happens when you try to print. You start the printer and it shows you E17 error 17 error 17 E17 E17. This is what it would display on the screen, and you open the tray. Actually the E17 error is for the tray that is not open, but if you do have it opened, or you might have it opened halfway, it's one quick thing to do. Check if the printer doesn't start printing right away or copy. Look at the display on the printer, and if you see E, then 1 and 7, it means the printer thinks that the front of the tray is closed, something like this. So if this top tray is closed, even if you open the bottom tray, or if it's half open like this, you have to open it all the way. Make sure it's all the way down. If both of the trays are all the way down in the normal position, just close them and open them again, and it will be fine, hopefully. If not, there might be other problems with the printer. See, now it's starting to... I'm just making a copy of the normal flatbed scanner, and it's working now. So close the front doors, both of them, and then open them again for the error 17 E17. Thanks for watching.